Good morning children. I am Sharada. Presenting chemistry lesson B block element part 2. Today we are going to see the following concept. First in group number 16, sulfur. Under sulfur, sulfur dioxide, its preparation, physical chemical properties and its uses. Then sulfuric acid, its preparation, physical chemical properties and its uses. Then the structure of oxo acids of sulfur. Then we are going to discuss about the group number 17, chlorine, its preparation, physical chemical properties and its uses. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. The formula of sulfur dioxide is SO2. We can prepare sulfur dioxide from sulfur. How we have to prepare sulfur dioxide from sulfur? By burning sulfur in air, we are getting sulfur dioxide. From this, about 6 to 8% of sulfur is converted to sulfur trioxide, SO3. The chemical reaction is given below. S plus O2, SO2, 2S plus 3O2, it gives us 2SO3. And we can prepare sulfur dioxide from sulfides. Some metal sulfides like lead, zinc, iron. While roasting in air, sulfur dioxide is liberated. The chemical reaction is given below for zinc and iron. First, zinc. 2Z10S plus 3O2, it gives us 2Z10O plus 2SO2. And for iron, 4FeS2 plus 11O2, it gives us 2Fe2O3 plus 8SO2. Here we are preparing the sulfur dioxide in large amount. So, for the manufacturing of sulfuric acid and other industrial purpose, they need sulfur dioxide. The required amount of sulfur dioxide is manufactured by this method. Nothing but from sulfides of metal ores. We can prepare sulfur dioxide in laboratory also. By treating the metals or metal sulfides with sulfuric acid, we can prepare sulfur dioxide. For example, copper. Copper is treated with sulfuric acid. We are getting copper sulfate, sulfur dioxide and water. The given chemical reaction is Cu2H2SO4. It gives us CuSO4 plus SO2 plus 2H2O. And for metal sulfides, the ionic reaction is given below. SO3 minus plus 2H plus, it gives us H2O plus SO2. By this method we can prepare sulfur dioxide. Then we are moved to physical properties of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with a suffocating odor. Suffocating odor means nothing but unbreathable. It is highly soluble in water and it is 2.2 times heavier than air. And sulfur dioxide can be liquefied at 263 Kelvin. There is nothing but boiling point of sulfur dioxide is 263 Kelvin at the condition of 2.5 atmospheric pressure and 288 Kelvin. Sulfur dioxide gas is found in volcanic eruption and also during the power plant like coal, oil and melting of metals. These kind of plants liberate sulfur dioxide. Chemical properties of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is an acidic oxide. It dissolves in water to give sulfurous acid. The formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. Again H2SO3 ionized as 2H plus plus SO3 2 minus. Then we are going to see the reaction with sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate. Sulfur dioxide react with sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate to form sodium bisulfide and sodium sulfide. With sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium bisulfide and with sodium carbonate, it gives sodium sulfide. Now we discuss the chemical reaction. SO2 plus NaOH, it gives us NaHSO3. NaHSO3. Sodium bisulfide. Then with the sodium carbonate, 2SO2 plus 2SO2 plus Na2CO3 plus H2O, it gives us 2NaHSO3 plus CO2. Again NaHSO3 it convert to Na2SO3 plus H2O plus SO2. Na2SO3 is sodium sulfide and hence we can declare with sodium hydroxide sulfur dioxide it gives sodium bisulfide. Then we are going to discuss about the oxidizing property of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is oxidizes hydrogen sulfide to sulfur and magnesium to magnesium oxide. I hope you remember what is oxidation, either addition of oxygen, otherwise removal of hydrogen. In first case, in the case of hydrogen sulfide, there is a removal of hydrogen, H2S, it becomes S. And in magnesium, there is a addition of oxygen, Mg, it oxidizes MgO. Then we are going to see the reducing property. As it can readily be oxidized, it acts as reducing agent. It reduces chlorine into hydrochloric acid, SO2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2, it gives us H2SO4 plus 2HCl plus 2HCl. So Cl2 it become HCl. Now we are going to see sulfur dioxide is reducing potassium permanganate and dichromate. Potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. In potassium permanganate, it oxidizes the Mn to Mn2 plus. In KMnO4, the oxidation number of Mn is plus 7. Then in MnSO4, it reduced as Mn2 plus. The same way, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, the oxidation number of chromium is plus 6. Then in product side, chromium is reduced as plus 3. So it reduces potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate as Mn2 plus and Cr3 plus. Now we discuss the chemical reaction. 2KMnO4 plus 5SO2 plus 2H2O, it gives us K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 2H2SO4. In reactant side, KMnO4, in product side, MnSO4 plus 7, here plus 2. Then K2Cr2O7 plus 3SO2 plus H2SO4, it gives us K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus H2O. The reactant side, K2Cr2O7, the oxidation number of Cr is plus 6. In the product side, Cr2SO4 thrice, the oxidation number of chromium is plus 3. Reaction with oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is oxidized to sulfur trioxide upon heating with oxygen at high temperature, here 450 degree Celsius, and also in the presence of vanadium pentoxide. This reaction is used for the manufacture of sulfuric acid by Connacht process. SO2 plus O2, it gives us 2SO3 in presence of V2O5 and at the temperature 450 degree Celsius. Then we are going to see the bleaching action of sulfur dioxide. What is the meaning of bleaching? Something colored to decolorize. This is named as bleaching action. Sulfur dioxide, it bleaches colored wool, silk, sponges and straw into colorless due to its reducing property. The reaction is SO2 plus 2H2O, it gives us 2H2SO4 plus 2H. Then X, it is named as colored, something colored, plus 2H. This hydrogen is liberated from the above reaction. Then it change the colored product to colorless. Reaction with. However, the bleached product is allowed to stand in air. It is re-oxidized by atmospheric oxygen to its original color. So, the bleaching action of sulfur dioxide is temporary. Because of this alone, sulfur dioxide is used in bleaching hair, silk and wool. And also it is used for disinfecting crops and plants in agriculture. However, now we are going to see the structure of sulfur dioxide. It is given below. We already know the structure of sulfur dioxide. We learned in last standard Lewis dot structure. S double bond O, single bond O. Here sulfur atom undergoes sp2 hybridization and there is a double bond arises between sulfur and oxygen. This is because overlapping of p pi electron and t pi electron.